In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut to a file in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your personal files or managing important documents for work, this technique can save you time and help keep your digital life in order. So, let's dive in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to head over to drive.google.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by following the simple steps provided on the Google Sign In page. This step is crucial as it gives you access to your Google Drive where all your files are stored. Now, once you're logged in, take a moment to locate the file or folder for which you wish to create a shortcut. You can find it by scrolling through your list or by using the search bar at the top of the page. The search tool is particularly handy if you have a large number of files and folders. With your desired file or folder in sight, move your mouse over to it and give it a right-click. A menu will pop up, offering several options. From this menu, look for the choice labeled Add Shortcut to Drive. Sometimes, depending on the updates or interface, it might also appear as Organize and then Add Shortcut. Both serve the same purpose, so don't fret if yours looks a little different. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to choose where you want this shortcut to reside. You have the flexibility to navigate through your directories, whether it's within My Drive or a shared drive. This step is crucial because it allows you to place your shortcut in a location that makes the most sense for your workflow and organizational system. Consider where you access related files most often, as a well-placed shortcut can streamline your productivity. Once you've settled on the perfect spot for your shortcut, look for the button that prompts you to Add Shortcut, or simply Confirm. Clicking this will finalize the process, placing the shortcut in the folder you selected. Voila! Your shortcut is now in place, ready to quickly transport you to the original file with a simple click anytime you need it. This can be a real game changer if you regularly access certain files or need to share them across different projects without duplicating files and eating up your storage space. Remember, by creating shortcuts, you're not copying the file. You're merely creating an easy access point to the original, saving space and maintaining ease of use. I hope you find this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit it anytime you need to refresh your memory on creating shortcuts in Google Drive. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.